This is all I gotta say.
Okay, CB, what happened, big guy?
All I gotta say is this. Look right here. Look right here. Notice the bead. The bead, Gus. See the bead and the crimp and another crimp.
Yeah, the triple crimp. CB's first white sea bass.
On the triple crimp.
And it's not like it's small. It's
a fucking bad boy.
It's easy in the 40s. Oh man. Look at that. That's guy right there with his first legal sea bass. It doesn't do it in a small manner. That's right. That's right. And what did you do all night long?
I watched TV.
And we made bait. We made our own bait. We ran over here right after work.
All the boats, look around. We're at all the boats. They're gone. Well, who's here? We are. And we.
That's right. That's right. That's right.
Look at that fish, Cuz. Wow!
That's the eye of the sea bass.
The eye of the sea bass. Look at that fat.
And there's the angler. Done deal. Way to go, CB.